Recursion 1, array 6. Given an array of integers, compute recursively if the array contains a 6. We'll use the convention of considering only the part of the array that begins at the given index. In this way, a recursive call can pass index plus 1 to move down the array. The initial call will pass an index as 0. Okay, so what does this mean? So basically what it's saying is that we will start at index 0, and then we will continue on considering only what that index points to. In this manner, we will iterate through the entire array and check if it contains a 6. Essentially, what we're doing is doing a for loop recursively. Okay, so here, 1, 6, 4. We will just iterate through 1, 6, 4, 6, 4. 6, of course, is 6, therefore this will return true in the end. Here, it's 1, 4. There is no 6 here, so it will return false. Here there is a 6, so we will return true. Okay, so let's just see how this process exactly works. So I will use, so let's just say there's an array 5, I'm just going to choose random numbers, 5, 2, 6, 4, 8, 6, 9. Oops, okay, 6, 9. Okay, so basically what it's saying is we first start with our index pointing at 0, which will be here, right? So we will look at 0, and it says, considering only the part of the array that begins at the given index, and we will pass index plus 1 to move down the array, so we will look at index 0 first. Is 0 equals 6? No. So we will continue on to index plus 1, which is index equals 1, which is here. Here we will see that index 1, it points to 2. 2, of course, is not 6, so we'll continue on. Here, index 2 points at 6, it equals 6. So now we know that there is a 6, so we return true overall. Because it doesn't matter if there just exists a 6 in the rest of the array if we already know that there exists a 6 right now. Okay, so let's actually just implement that. So first we will check if index has passed in equals nums.length. This means nums.length, if the index were to point at, like logically speaking, nums.length points here. This basically means that we went through an entire array and we came here, which means that in the entire array, we never encountered a 6, which means that the array does not contain a 6. So if this holds true, then we will return false. If else, we will check if nums index equals 0, equals 6. If it does, we return true. If not, we just continue on. We just return whatever is true with the rest of the array, index plus 1. So they're line 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Oh, my bad here. Incompatible type. Int cannot be converted to a boolean, line 5. Okay, so here we were supposed to compute recursively. So yeah, we just continue on. We return nums. We pass nums, and we continue on with the rest. That seems obvious. I don't know why I made that mistake, and there it is. It works.